Hello friends, welcome to Food Street. Today I'll be making my favorite high-protein quinoa bean salad. It's super healthy and delicious and so easy to make. So let's begin. I'm going to start by preparing the quinoa. I've measured half a cup of quinoa in a bowl. I'm going to add this to 1 cup of water and let it come to a boil. After a minute or two, I'm going to reduce the heat, cover the pot, and simmer until all the liquid has evaporated, about 15 minutes. I'm going to let the quinoa stand for about 5 minutes and then fluff it with a spoon or fork. For my salad, I'm using 3 kinds of bell peppers. I'm chopping half a yellow pepper, half an orange, and half a red bell pepper. I'm also chopping some red onions, about half a cup. Now it's time to make the dressing for the salad. I'm mixing 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 2.5 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1.5 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. You can adjust the salt and pepper according to your taste. 1/4 teaspoon dried oregano. I'm going to whisk this all together until everything is blended well. I've rinsed and strained a can of mixed bean medley. This can contains chickpeas, kidney beans, black-eyed peas, white beans, romano beans, and lima beans. I'm now going to add half cup chopped yellow pepper, half cup chopped red pepper, half cup chopped orange pepper, half cup chopped red onions, and 1/3 cup chopped cilantro. Next, I'm adding 2 cups of the cooked and cooled quinoa that we prepared earlier. I'm going to gently mix everything together before I add the dressing. I'm going to mix everything together, making sure that all the veggies and quinoa are coated with the dressing. I'm going to chill the salad in the fridge for at least an hour before serving to allow the beans to marinate in the dressing. Our fresh and nutritious, tasty bean and quinoa salad is ready. Enjoy it on its own or with any meal. Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes and remember to hit the like button. Until next time, Allah Hafiz!